Alright. Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we have a company that sent me out some new floor mats to test out. So I do have Husky liner floor mats, but I don't even know what they're called. Oedro 4x4 off-road. So we're actually gonna install those and do a comparison of the Husky liners, which I have right here, and then the new ones which I have there. So just so you guys know, here is the Husky liners, and I also have them for the back. And we're gonna pull these out right here. Wow. So here it is. Super cool. And let's go ahead and open this and see the comparison between these Husky liners and the new ones. See how they fit, see the channel grooves as well, and just see if it's an overall better quality. I have no idea. I've never heard of this company, so this is going to be a first review, and I have not opened up the box yet, so I have no idea what they're going to look like. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so I'm going to try to, this is it right here. Super cool for them to send me out this. Shout out to Oedro. Let's see. It's got staples in it. So let's see. And this is for the front seat. Holy smokes. Not gonna lie. So here they are. Alright. So here they are from the front. And as soon as I opened them, I was like, wow, those are actually really cool floor mats. And in the box here, you have the, obviously the back. All right, so what I noticed right off the bat was the Husky liners are a lot more durable than this. This is really, it bends really easily. Versus this one, it's a lot harder to bend. So this one's a little bit more durable, but I do like how the logo is really cool, and I like the channels here. But we're gonna do a fit test, and really see how this fits compared to the Huskies. So let's go ahead and try that out right now. So another pro of the new ones, it actually has holes where you can clip onto those so they don't slide around. And that's a one downfall of the Husky liners. They don't have the holes in them, so they slide around all the time. So let's go ahead and put this in real quick. All right, so there it is right here. And what I can tell right off the bat is they really fit really well, especially around the corners here, and really hug the entire trim piece. And it goes all the way up here into the firewall, and it really just complements all the lines of the truck. And really, like even this piece right here, like that little spot where it just goes right over and down. And then these are the, go back to the Husky so you can see, sorry, I don't want the shadow to get in the way. But as you can see here, I can go around here. Those are the difference between them. Now the Husky liners do have that little holes where you can snap in. Thought they didn't. But the one thing I wish that these had, that these don't, is right here. I'm sorry. That these do, those don't, is this little piece right here. And what this is for is it stops all the dirt, the water, the mud from sliding out and into your carpet. As you can see, this doesn't have that spot. So if you had any kind of dirt or water that's muddy, that's sliding out of these channels, could actually get on the trim on the truck. That's a one downfall, but I do like the design and I do love the fit of this right here. And I really like this logo. I think that's really cool and really complements the actual floor mats. So let's go ahead and go on that side and show you what those look like. All right, so let's do a quick comparison. Here is before. Check out the fitment of the Husky liners. And here is the after of the new floor mats here by Oedro, I think it's called. So that is the old ones, and these are the ones. I like how this comes up here. Looks to be a little bit of a gap right there, but the driver's side is perfect, so that's gonna be a downfall. There is a little gap here. The up here looks really smooth. Looks like it fits up there perfectly, and looks like fits here perfectly and down here. But like I said, I wish I had this right here. But that's the only complaint so far. I think they're really, really cool looking. They definitely do the job, and they have that nice, like, sticky rubber. Not sticky, but it's like, it's not like nothing's gonna slide on it, is what I'm trying to say. So if you have like dirt or water, it just like will slap right on. And it's not gonna be like mushy and like watery if you have snowy boots or something like that, or rain. All right, and lastly, the moment you've all been waiting for is the back. All right, so let's go ahead and lift this up here. And lift this one up so we can really see. So this is the Husky liners. They are dirty and they have seen some use. As you can see, the fitment is immaculate. Really hugs the corners, has cool channels in it. And now we're gonna try out the new set and just see what the difference is. All right, so let's get these out. Ugh. And they are dirty. Those mats help out so much, because look at this carpet. Super clean. Super clean. All right, let's get this box out. Let's see. All right, so here they are. I think that's it. The back looks really good, really snugs and supports. The bottom here has a little bit of a, I think it's because it was bent here. I may have to just flatten that out and kind of bend it all over, but because it was bent in the packaging. But here's the back right here. Super cool design. I love how the channels actually come down here versus the Husky liners do not have any channels where the seat is. Right under the seat there's nothing. So if you have a cooler or something, when the seats are up, you will not have any channels going on all the way to the back of the floor mats, the Huskies. Now, the one thing that differentiates is, like I said, that little piece right there will hold all the water. It will hold all the grime, whatever it is. But this looks like channels come right out, woo, all the way down. So, something to think about. The fitment looks to be about the same as the Huskies. This side's a little bit better. There is no logo on the back ones as the passenger side and the driver's side have. The Oedro, I think it's Oedro. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can check this out. And thank you guys for sending me these awesome floor mats out. And if you ever need any floor mats, I have a link in the description. You guys can go ahead and check these out. And I really appreciate them for sending me out and having me test them out. So these are the Huskies. Those are the new ones. Those are the new ones. Huge thanks to Oedro. I still don't know how to pronounce it, for sending these out to me. They definitely compete with the Huskies. They do have a lot of pros and not too many cons, to be quite honest with you. If you guys are looking to pick up some floor mats, I do have the links to the Huskies and these right here in the description, so you guys can go ahead and check those out. And I hope this video helps. If it did, leave a like and comment and subscribe. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday at 8 p.m. And if you're wondering what I've done to this truck specifically, I have a link in the description of every mod I've done so far, so you can go ahead and check that out. Other than that, guys, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.